okay? Because she is the show. She's the star of the show, okay?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
She is not one of them, okay? So y'all, not this. I'm not gonna gatekeep this. So what it do, YouTube? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So on today, you guys, we are going to be doing a perfume haul review. Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, okay? So I have 5 of my favorite perfumes here, y'all, that I have worn throughout 2023 and that I'm going to continue to wear in 2024. And of course, we're going to add some new ones to the collection. However, these 5 have not failed me yet, okay? So number 1 is going to be this Dolce & Gabbana light blue, y'all. First of all, the presentation on this is amazing because, y'all, this box is velvet, okay? Listen. That's a velvet box, y'all. And the box is so cute. I don't keep all my boxes for my perfumes, but the ones that I really do like, I do keep. And this is one of those perfumes, okay? So this is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, y'all, and she smells fresh. So if you're a girl who like fresh scents, then this is going to be a scent for you, okay? As you can see, I do wear her, and she smells amazing. She is also very cheap, you guys. She is affordable. They sell her at Walmart for $50. $50, okay? And I think she's on sale right now. I want to say in between like $24 and $30 right now at Walmart. And if you don't know, Walmart sells perfumes, okay? And they sell luxury perfumes for the low, okay? So if you get my drift, you get my drift. Go to Walmart and go just check out their perfume case, y'all. They have a wide range of perfumes. The selection is just like unmatched, okay? I was quite shocked myself. Example, Sephora and Ulta Beauty sells that whole collection of Ariana Grande perfumes for like $100. Between $80 and $100, maybe some are over. Walmart has that same collection for like $50 and below, okay? So go to Walmart and get your perfumes, and they are authentic, okay? They're not like inspired by or impression of. It's the real deal, okay? Go to Walmart and get your perfumes. So this Dolce & Gabbana came from Walmart. It was a gift to me for my birthday, y'all, and I absolutely love it. She's really pretty, and she's really fresh. So if you're a girl that like fresh scents, this one is for you. And she also lasts a long time. Y'all, this perfume lasts me all day. A whole 12 hours. This perfume is still kicking up, okay? I don't have to pair her with anything or spray anything extra or go back and dip into it throughout the day. She's going to do what she do, okay? So this is going to be that Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, y'all. Really pretty. Go get this scent. Scent number 2 is going to be this Burberry By Her. And again, these scents are in any particular order. I'm just grabbing them, but I do have one at the end that I'm going to let you know that do kind of trumps all of these, okay? But, so this is Burberry Her, y'all. This, again, was gifted to me on my birthday. She's a really good scent, y'all, and she's a really strong scent. As you can see, they didn't lack on the presentation, y'all. The name is textured, so you can feel it. And it's really cute, y'all. The box is like giving like this little wrapped effect, which I really love. And it's really cute. It's a great scent. However, it does not last on me. Now, again, perfume goes with your body chemistry. So to each his own. So for you, she might give you a full 12 hours of longevity on the scent. For me, she don't last that long. I'm going to get like 4 hours out of her before I have to reapply her, which is not a big deal for me. But like if I'm not home or near the bottle, I can't reapply it, right? So, but she's really good, and she's a strong scent, you guys. She is, yeah, she's a strong, bold scent. She's kind of like that Baccarat scent that's kind of like grown woman-y. This is a grown woman scent. So if you are someone who's looking for like something fruity or something clean, this is not it. But if you are someone who's looking for like bold and strong in your face, like that's going to like take over all the other scents, this is going to be that one. But for me, she don't last that long, okay? but she might last that long on you, okay? And I think that she was like $100. I did look her up, and I see her between $80 and $100. So again, she's not that expensive, very inexpensive. So go get her if you're someone who's looking for like a really strong, bold scent. This is her, okay? Burberry by Her. Scent number 3, you guys, is going to be Miss Dior, okay? Miss Dior, y'all, let me tell y'all something. This is my baby. This is my second bottle of Miss Dior, y'all. She is my baby.
Girl, bye.
Okay, Miss Dior is amazing. I do feel like I purchased her from Ulta Beauty the first time, but again, Walmart has her. Walmart has her. Now, I'm not saying that all Walmarts might have this, but my Walmart have her, and she is like she's amazing. She is one of those scents that you can wear like anywhere, anytime. She's going to be an all day, everyday girl, okay? Because she is the show. She's the star of the show, okay?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, y'all, this is, y'all, she's really, it's literally like it's like a light, she's a light scent. She's not like strong in your face, but when I apply her to me, she's like all day. Like she's gonna last me all day, and I don't have to pair her with anything else. However, if I do choose to put lotion or something on with her, I'm going to get like 2 days of this, okay? So without pairing her with something, I'm going to get a full 24 hours. I don't have to reapply or anything, okay? And if anyone is wondering how I apply my perfume, I'm going to spray here. I'm going to spray here. I'm going to spray here at the base of my neck. And I'm going to do a waterfall like over the top of the head. And then I'm going to do this. Okay, we're going to do, okay? And it's going to give all day. So I'm going to at least spray my perfumes at least like 5 times, okay? Just so that I can hit all of those key spots. And if anyone is wondering why you spray the nape of your neck, that's your scent trail. So your scent trail is what leaves people guessing. Like, what's that? You know what I'm saying? Like, when you walk, it follows you. So that's your scent trail. So that's why I spray the nape of my neck, because, baby, we gonna leave a scent. And Miss Dior is that girl, okay? So, go cop you Miss Dior, okay? Okay, y'all, scent number 4 is going to be this Versace Bright Crystal. Now, I know that the girls have this. I'm pretty sure y'all have this. This is one that has been around for a really, really long time. I want to say, like, somebody bought me this bottle. Not this particular bottle, but I had this bottle. I had a bottle like 2 years ago. I ran out of it, and I recently purchased it again from TJ Maxx, y'all. So I got this from TJ Maxx, and it was like $50. It's a 1 ounce bottle, and I love, 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 love this scent, y'all. This Bright Crystal scent, and I know they make other scents, but this particular one for me has been the best, y'all. She's really, really pretty. The box is really, really pretty. Like, it's just a 10 across the board. She's, again, is a light scent, but she's powerful. And she's really sweet, too. So, like, if you're a girl that likes the sweet scents, or you're looking for something that's not too strong, but will last, this is that scent. She lasts a long, 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 long time. Okay? I mean, if you spray her on your coat, or like a hoodie or something like this, you're going to smell her for days, okay? You're going to smell her for days, especially if you put her on your coat. Like, if you spray your bag, like the inside of your bags or something like that, this scent will be there, because this is one of those scents that's not going to play. And she's inexpensive. I told y'all she was like $50 at TJ Maxx. Now, I know like Sephora or Ulta Beauty sells her, but it's going to be like in that $100 range. But just go to TJ Maxx and get her, because she's a really good scent. And she's really sweet and fruity. And I love this scent. And again, she's not a scent that you have to pair with something. But if you choose to pair her with something, it probably would just go crazy, okay? But anyway, I love this. This is going to be the Versace Bright Crystal, y'all. Go get her. She's cute and fresh, okay? She's a cute, fresh, sweet scent, okay? So go get her. And she's going to last a long time, okay? Don't play with her. She's not one of them, okay? She is not one of them, okay? Moving along. Okay, y'all. So, this is actually an unofficial scent, okay? First of all, it's going to be linked in my Amazon storefront. This is going to be a Baccarat dupe. Now, yes, I can't afford Baccarat, but do I want to pay the price of Baccarat? No. Let me say that again for the girls in the back. Can I afford Baccarat? Yes. Do I want to pay that price tag? No. So here is going to be, this is the closest dupe that I have found to Baccarat that is not watered down. Now, I've smelled the real Baccarat. I've sprayed it. I've tested the longevity of it. Amazing scent. I love this scent. I just wasn't willing to pay $500 for this scent. So I did some research, and after going through a few scents, baby girl, this is what we found, okay? I can't tell y'all the name of this, okay? I don't know. I don't know. Latifa, I don't know. But it's going to be linked in my Amazon storefront. This scent, 10 out of 10. 1,000. It's 1,000 out of 1,000, okay? Y'all, this scent is amazing, and they did not skimp on the packaging, y'all. This, first of all, this is good packaging. This is good packaging for an inexpensive perfume, okay? Look, you keep this, okay? This is a keepsake package, y'all. It is really, 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 really good packaging, okay? I mean, she's thick, and y'all, she even had like her own seat inside the box. Like, don't play with her. Don't play with her. She is not one of them. Oh, I'm trying to tell y'all. Anyway, this is that bottle, y'all. Look at y'all. First of all, this bottle is gorgeous. I mean, wait till I tell you how much she costs, okay? Look at this bottle. Like, can we just get into like the detailing of the bottle? Again, y'all, we have like that texture feel right here. It says Latifa. I don't know. Maybe that's not the name. I don't know. But she's linked in my bio, okay? I mean, she is amazing, y'all. Like, and I want to say, like, this is kind of like along the lines of like those Arabian scents because it has like that Arab writing on it. I don't know what that says, y'all. However, I do know that I have other like Arabian scents and they have like similar writing. And these scents are very concentrated. So these scents aren't watered down at all. And this is not, baby. This is not no cheap scent. Y'all, they even have like the symbol up here on the top of the top that is also textured. Y'all, like, look how cute. Like, they have like these little rhinestones embedded in it. Like, this is just all around just like a 10 out of 10 for me, y'all. I'm talking about this is an amazing scent. And I just don't know, like, how it's only $20.
What?
Did y'all hear me? It's $20. So if you are a girl who wants that Baccarat scent, but you don't want to pay for that Baccarat scent, go get her. She's not going to fail you, y'all. I'm talking about, y'all, she's strong. She's strong. Grown. This is another grown woman scent. In your face scent that will have heads turning. Or I'm talking about whenever I wear this, y'all, people are like, what you wearing? And I be wanting to gatekeep so bad, but I'm pretty sure somebody else don't put y'all on. So we're not going to gatekeep this. I ain't going to gatekeep this for y'all. Not this. I'm not going to gatekeep this. So she's linked in my bio on my Amazon storefront, y'all. I'm just telling y'all that this is a grown woman scent. She's given very much boss. She's given businesswoman, entrepreneur, mother, teacher, student, wife. She's giving all the hats, okay? She's amazing. This scent is amazing. And I really can't give her praises, y'all, enough because she's really cheap too. So you can use her all the time and don't feel bad for using her because she's only $20. You know what I'm saying? She's only $20. So sometimes you don't want to use your expensive scents because you're like, dang, that costs too much. It costs too much. Not her. She's cheap, inexpensive, and she smells amazing, okay? Now, I know I told y'all I had 5 scents, But I have one more as a bonus that I'm going to show y'all. And that is going to conclude this video. Y'all, so I'm back and I have my sixth and final scent, you guys. And it is going to be a travel size. And I do plan on purchasing the official bottle more than likely this week, okay? But anyway, and she's also going to be my all-time favorite scent. Next to that Baccarat dupe, this is going to be my all-time favorite scent. And I bought the travel size because I wanted to test her out, because sometimes the girls be lying on TikTok, but they didn't lie with this one, okay? Y'all know what this is. Y'all know what this is. This is that Valentino scent, you guys. That, y'all, I don't know what Valentino is cooking up in their warehouse, but baby, they are cooking some fire. When I tell you, first of all, the presentation is so cute, and I know that the bottle resembles this as well. But like, let me slide this off to show y'all. Like, y'all, I'll be so scared to use this, y'all. I'd be so scared because, baby, this little thing right here cost me almost $50. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. She's expensive. Now, she's an expensive one. I want to say that around the time I got it, it was like $42, I think. And I want to say they've come down on the price a little bit also. So she might be like $30 now. However, y'all, look, I'd be scared to use her. I'd be so scared to use her because, baby, this Valentino scent is amazing. When I tell you that I actually tested this scent out because I thought I was crazy. So I sprayed this scent on a piece of clothing and I just let the clothing just sit there, okay, for like 3 days. I came back, y'all, I promise y'all, I thought I was losing my mind. So I came back after 3 days, took my piece of clothing, and baby, it still smelled like this perfume, okay? So when I tell you that this is the one to get now, I feel like she's over $100, but she's not over like $150. That's what I feel like. I don't feel like she's that expensive, but you're going to spend like between $100 and like $125 on her. However, she's a great, y'all, she's a great scent. I'm talking about she's girly and strong. So like if you're a girly girl who like really strong scents, this is that girl. I can't tell you what's in it because I don't know. And frankly, I don't care because she's that girl, okay? She's that girl, y'all. She smells so freaking good. And like when I wear her, people are like, what is that? I'm telling you, I'll be scared. I'll be so scared to wear her. But she leaves a scent trail that is out of this world. And you do not have to reapply her. And I love that for me, okay? I love that for me. So you guys, this is going to be my highlight scent of this video, which is going to be this Valentino. And I'm going to get the official bottle because I've been afraid to spray her. But we're going to spray her because now we're going to get the real thing, okay? So if you're a girl who's looking for like a really strong, sweet scent that's going to last you for 3+ days, this is that girl, okay? She's that girl. And I'm sure if I would have left my clothing article there for longer, I'm sure the scent would have still been there, okay? Because it still smelled like I had just sprayed it, okay? So she's that girl. So if you're looking for a really strong scent, she's that girl, okay? So y'all, that's going to conclude this video. I want to say thank y'all for all y'all support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl is doing on this channel. Until next time, bye. Bye.